Hi, I'm Dr. Arshnu from Dr. Arshnu's IELTS Institute. Today, in the series of the task 1 or the part 1 of speaking task, I have chosen red color because students have different choices for the colors. Earlier, I made a video on blue color, and today I'm giving you the video on red color. So, see, red color is the color of courage, passion, and energy. So, it is considered the romantic color or the color of love also. So, hey, me use this is my favorite color because it signifies love, compassion, affection, energy, courage. And this is the only color which has the power to draw attention from the farther place so that no other color has. So that's the reason this color is used in the traffic light also. So to warn the people or to tell the people that there is red light. So if we have to say that this is my favorite color, you may say that this color has a significance in our culture because in Indian culture, no ceremony, no ritual is performed without the presence of red color. It may be the bridal dress or other things which are used in the form of the vermily, it may be the flowers, it may be other things which are used at the time of the wedding or the important occasions. So this is considered as the color of benedictions. That's the reason this color is abundantly used in all the important ceremonies in the Indian culture. So see students, all these are the positives of red color, but it has some negatives also which we cannot ignore. So you may say that this has some negatives associated with this, which are this is the color of danger, which is the color of violence, aggression, rage, and stress. In this way, you can speak on red color if you want to tell this color is my favorite color. You may say that I feel energetic, full of energy when I am wear this color. So that's reason on the important occasions I try to wear this color to feel myself enthusiastic or energetic. So hope you will like this video, and I'll be making other videos and uploading on our channel. But before that, must subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet. Stay connected, happy learning, and see you with a new video. Thanks for watching.